Hello guys, this is me James Morgan from United States. Today we are here in Islamic Republic of Pakistan. This interview is not to disrespect anyone. What do you do for living?
क्या मैंने इंग्लिश नहीं पाई सीधी
What do you do for living?
इतनी इंग्लिश आती तो पाकिस्तान में होते।
Any Bollywood or Lollywood actress? Female actress?
No, no, no. My
Myra
wife.
Khan or
My wife
Noora
only.
Fatehi?
My wife only.
Because she's watching, that's why. If we turn off the camera, then
समझ नहीं आई उर्दू
no,
में बताएं।
no. Are you a gangster? No. What are you then? Done. Huh? A TikToker?
जी
What's this gold chain?
वाह गोल
हाँ?
कैन खुद बनाएंगे
From Zafar Supari?
ना नहीं
Taji Khokar?
नहीं
Hello guys, this is me James Morgan from United States.
अच्छा
Today we are here in Islamic Republic of Pakistan. We will gonna conduct the interview of people to see their intellectual level, how they respond to us. This interview is not to disrespect anyone. We're just here to create smile in people's faces. So let's go and we're gonna ask them different questions. Let's see how they respond to English. We have some customers here. Let's talk to them. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
सलाम
How are you, brother?
आई एम फाइन ब्रदर
What do you do for living?
क्या मैंने इंग्लिश नहीं पाई सीधी साफ आगे ट्राई आगे मैंने पढ़े नहीं
What's your name?
मोहम्मद शिराज
Where are you from?
कश्मीर
From Kashmir. Which area of Kashmir?
हाँ जी
Which area of Kashmir?
और छोड़ा के बोल फारूकोटा हवेली फारूकोटा
Haveli Forward Kota. Okay. And which app do you use the most? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok?
कोई का संज्ञा कोई बस सिंपल मोबाइल चलाने कोई मोबाइल कोई इंसान को सादे ही बंदे हैं
You use the simple mobile, you don't have touch screen?
कोई स्क्रीन सादा ही है
Chalo. Okay, so let's talk to another guy here. You can see Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम
What's your name, brother?
बाबर अली
Mr. Babar, what do you do for living?
आई एम फ्रॉम लिंग एबटाबाद
You're from Aptabad. Okay. And how much are you studying or doing some work?
आई एम फ्रॉम एमजेडएस मार्केटिंग नेटवर्क
Marketing network. What do you do? Like you talk to people and ask them to come and invest in your business?
आई ओवरसीज पाकिस्तानी बिलोंग
बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है यहाँ पे।
कि यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करें वो तो एक अच्छा ऑप्शन है पाकिस्तान में किंगडम वैली जिस तरह थी इमरान खान की बट ये जो हुकूमत आई है इसने ख़ास करके प्रॉपर्टी के हवाले से इसको बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो टैक्सेस लगा के उसको फ्लॉप कर दिया है अब देखें नेक्स्ट
Brother, we're doing interview in English, so if you can speak in English.
इंग्लिश नॉट स्पीकिंग
Okay, no worries. Let's come to another boy. Here we have young boys. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
brother.
salam.
Why are you running?
We are going to take Pratha.
You are going to take Pratha. What's your good name?
Mohammad Reza.
Are you studying or doing some work?
Yes, trading.
Studying in which class?
10.
10th class. Which school?
SLS.
SLS. Do you love studying or just due to your parents?
Man, I love.
Do you love studying? That's not true.
Yeah, true.
What you want to become in the future?
An army officer.
An army officer. And do you love General Bajwa?
तोबा 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 थारा मूड खराब कर दिया
Little bit.
Okay, what if General Bajwa give you $1 million? What will you gonna do with that amount?
I will do investing and give money to the poor peoples for their battle facilities.
How many girlfriends do you have? Tell the truth, babe.
No.
We will send this to your parents. Just tell.
No.
Tell her name. No?
No.
You don't have one, it means, right?
No.
You have more than one, so you don't want to break their trust, right?
No, I have no girlfriend.
Okay, he don't have a girlfriend. Okay, let's move forward. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
जी वालेकुम सलाम
What's your good name?
शरियार खटक
Sharyar bhai, what do you do for living?
मैं सर जीने के लिए क्या
Can you speak in English? Yes.
इंग्लिश नहीं सर अभी
A little bit, no worries.
सर ये अपनी सलवार कमीज पहन के इंग्लिश करवा
So what?
करें ना सर
Just speak in English. Tutti putti English.
टूटी
Tutti
बहुत
putti.
सारी इंग्लिश है लेकिन अभी आपको पता है
Okay, just tell the English of Lota.
लोटा
Yes.
लोटा हम जिसको कहते हैं नवाज शरीफ
English of Lota.
इमरान खान
No,
हमारी
no, no,
जान
don't take their name. Just tell the English of Lota if you know.
लोटा नहीं सर लोटा हम लोटा लोटा
Okay. Let's move on and talk to Assalamu alaikum. Sir, how are you?
अजहर जावेद
Azhar Javed, mashallah. Where are you from, sir?
जी
Where are you from?
क्या मतलब
कहाँ से हैं?
इधर से
इधर से हैं. We are doing this interview in English. Can you speak something in English? No English comes?
पंजाबी स्पीक
English don't comes to you? Punjabi comes? Okay, let's move on to these guys. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम
How are you, brother?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खैर
Alhamdulillah. Where are you from?
लाहौर
Lahore. What's your good name?
सैयद मोहम्मद बिन हसन
What are you doing here in Pindi?
मैं एक यूनिवर्सिटी में स्टूडेंट
Speak in English.
आई एम स्टूडेंट इन यूनिवर्सिटी
Which university?
नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी
What are you doing there?
सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग
What you want to become?
सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर
Okay. By choice or by parents' pressure?
I think it's more of by the need of the hour because currently the financial situation in our country deems that you be as someone who can earn a lot of money,
Okay. You're studying just to earn money?
more or less.
Okay. English. Tell me the English of Lota. English tops to this.
No idea.
No idea.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you love what the difference you have seen in Lahore and Pindi?
The traffic
Traffic,
and the infrastructure.
infrastructure.
Yeah.
Which one you loves the most?
Lahore.
Lahore. Why?
First of all,
Then what are you doing here? Sit in the metro, go to Faizabad and go to Lahore.
I mean, overall, I'm over here mainly for studies. I live in a hostel, so
Okay.
I would choose a home any day. I would
Okay.
rather go home, honestly.
Okay. Are you earning or just studying?
Just studying.
Ash on daddy's cash.
Yes?
Ash on daddy's cash.
To some extent, yeah, to some extent.
Okay. Tell me the English of Akkad Bakkad Bamme Bo.
Yeah, these are some tough questions. Tough questions.
You're from Nast, bro.
Yeah, I am from Nust, but there is no particular reason for me to be knowing these.
Okay, we have two more guys. Let's talk to them. Hello.
We never signed up
We're not ready for this.
Huh?
We're not ready for this.
No one is ready for this. It's a random. Tell me your name. Good name.
My name is Ali.
Abdul Rahman.
Are you friends?
Yes, we are friends. We are actually batchmates.
Okay. You all are from Lahore.
No, I am from actually Lahore. He's from Sialkot. He's from
Okay.
Karachi.
And what do you guys do?
We are just students.
You're studying.
Studying?
Yeah.
Okay. He didn't give us two answers. Can you give the answer of that question? Same question.
What is the question?
What's the English of Lota?
What should we say?
I don't.
As for sure.
Okay. Let's make it simple. What's the English of roti? Patir.
Chapati, na?
Yeah.
Tortilla.
Tortilla. That's he gave the correct answer. Okay. And do you guys have girlfriends?
Not me, other than these both are having. I'm under process right now.
He's in the process, yes.
Okay. Anything you want to say to the general public?
If you're watching this, I love you.
Blank.
Yes, if you're watching this, I love you. Specific, not for general.
Are you?
Not for general purpose.
Our cameraman is a boy. He's not. She's not a
We're
girl.
talking to the public. We're not talking to the
Talking to
cameraman.
the public right now.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Inky Pinky Ponky. Oh. Oh, guys, come here. Let me tell you what I see. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, brother?
I am fine.
Are you a gangster?
Nahi, no.
What are you then?
Done.
Huh? A TikToker?
Ji.
What's this gold chain?
Wow. Boy,
Huh?
can you put बनाएंगे?
From Zafar Supari?
No, नहीं.
Taji Khokar?
नहीं.
Which one do you support? Which one do you support? Zafar Supari, Taji Khokar?
नहीं. कुछ भी नहीं रास्ते.
Pakistan, Australia?
Pakistan.
Pakistan, okay. And who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan? Australia or England?
Australia or England? नहीं पता.
Nice. And TikTok or YouTube, which one do you support?
TikTok.
TikTok, why? Why not YouTube?
TikTok 1.3 million like.
3 million like. Your favorite TikToker?
Yes.
Who is your favorite TikToker?
Favorite? So, Sheikh Faizi.
Huh?
Sheikh Faizi.
Sheikh Faizi is his favorite TikToker and he's a TikToker. Can you say your dialogue? मेरी जान कला ना समझी.
बड़ा पुराना ले मेरी जान
Say this.
कला ना समझी. कारो काट के मार साने फिर कला ना समझी यार समझ जाओगे.
Say this in English.
No.
Say in English. Anything.
No.
Anything.
नहीं मुझे नहीं आती.
Huh? Okay, so he was a TikToker guy we have got here. Now we'll talk again to the general public. Let's move and find someone who can talk to us. Okay, so we have another guy here. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
What's your good name, sir?
हाकिम कुरैशी.
Hakim Qureshi, sir. What do you do for living?
इतनी इंग्लिश आती तो पाकिस्तान में होते.
What's your age?
27 ईयर.
27 year. Your favorite actress?
मैं खुद हूँ अपना एक्टर.
Any Bollywood or Lollywood actress? Female actress?
No.
Myra Khan or
My wife
Noora
only.
Fatehi?
My wife only.
Because she's watching, that's why. If we turn off the camera, then
समझ नहीं आई उर्दू में
No.
बताएं.
बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है यहाँ पे.
Noora Fatehi or Angelina Jolie.
कुछ भी नहीं है जी वाइफ के आगे.
Oh yeah. Any other?
No, only my wife. All girls is wonderful. Only beautiful my wife does.
Any poetry for your wife?
कभी मिल तो तुझको बताएं हम तुझे इस तरह से सताएं हम तेरा इश्क तुझसे छीन कर तुझे महपिला के रुलाएं हम तुझे दर्द दूं तू न सह सके तुझे दूं ज़बां तू न कह सके तुझे मुश्किलों में गिरा के मैं कोई ऐसा रास्ता निकाल लूं तेरे दर्द की मैं दवा बनूं किसी गर्ज के सवाब.
Hi. Okay, so guys, that was our today's show. Hope you loved that episode. We'll see you in the next episode. You guys can comment your expressions, show your love. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.